Mga kalarki, first time nakasakay dyan ko. Og, sitting beside the exit row. Wow! Lahat. Wala lahat. Pati, mga kanang, sige ko na niyo, hand carry bag. Tanan na dyan sa overhead bin kay exit row daw siya. See? Nado ko sa exit row sitting. So, wala joy naka-ali dili nga mga busag-unsa. Oh my god. Just in case of emergency, simbako lang tao, ayaw lang tao. So we just pray mga kalarki that we're having a safe travel going back home. And I will miss all of these things to my boyfriend, David Melnick. He is going back to Texas, USA.
Be advised that the use of power bank during the flight is strictly prohibited. Power banks must remain switched off and should not be connected to any device while on board. Additionally,
Good morning, this is your first officer.
Hi mga kalarki.
power bank, please